Hello and welcome to TMK Film Research. The TFR team is on the research vessel The Intense, putting the second diver drone in, and its job is going to be in the top 15 feet of water, looking at what we have found in Puget Sound's toxin area of marine snow. Now, there's a lot of natural things in here as well, but what we're more interested in is the heavy metals, the things that can really affect the orca whale, the wild Chinook salmon, anything that has to do with water quality. That's what we're doing right now, looking at the different factors that are causing this marine snow. A big thank you to Washington State for putting this contract together and allowing us to come out in these deeper depths of Puget Sound and take these samples. And if you are a marine biologist that's interested in wanting to see what this stuff really is, come aboard and support us. We're more than happy to share our information on the YouTube channel. We need 300 more subscribers, and then we can really start to advance on what we're doing. So please, you viewers out there that have been supporting us for such a long time, thank you. And please, see if we can't get that 300 more subscribers on our channel, and that'll make a big difference on what we're doing in the waters of Puget Sound. A little topside shot in the GPS. There you have the location and what we're doing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and be safe out on the water. Bye-bye.